Hello, today we will guide you through how to sync Google Sheets with Google Calendar. To begin, open your Google Sheets file. This is where you'll start the setup process for connecting your spreadsheet to Google Calendar. If you already have data prepared in your sheet, that can be helpful later. But for now, the main goal is simply to access the spreadsheet and get to the Tools menu where add-ons are managed. Once you're inside Google Sheets, move to the top menu bar and click Extensions. This menu is where Google Sheets houses extra tools and integrations that can expand what your spreadsheet can do. If you haven't used add-ons before, this is the place to find them. From the Extensions menu, click Add-ons. This opens the section dedicated to tools created to add new features to Google Sheets. In this case, you'll be using an add-on that helps bridge spreadsheet data with calendar events, making it easier to create or manage events from information stored in your sheet. Next, click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse and install add-ons for Google Apps. Think of this as the App Store for Google Sheets. It's where you'll search for the specific tool needed for this sync process. When the Marketplace opens, click into the Search Apps field. This search bar helps you quickly find the right add-on instead of browsing through categories manually. In the search field, type Calendar Event Creator. Make sure the wording is entered clearly so the correct result appears in the list. After the search results load, click Calendar Events Creator. This should open the add-ons details page where you can review the tool before installing it. It's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct add-on, especially if multiple similar results appear. Now click Install and follow the on-screen procedure. During installation, Google may ask you to review permissions and choose the account you want to use. This is standard for add-ons that need access to your Google Sheets and Google Calendar. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what access is being requested before you continue. Once the installation is complete, the add-on will be available through your Google Sheets environment, and you'll be ready to continue using it to work with calendar events from your spreadsheet data. If the add-on doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or refresh the sheet. That's it for this setup process. You've now installed the tool needed to help sync Google Sheets with Google Calendar.